Vegan, cause hell is not just a word. It truly exists, and it's terrifying.
Each of Master's disciples has similar, different, or more inner spiritual experiences and or outer world blessings. These are just some samples. Usually we keep them to ourselves, as per Master's advice. I want to share an experience related to the conference, Initiation Requires Master Power. When my grandfather was alive, he was initiated by our master, but later followed someone who proclaimed that he represents Master. This person gave many false instructions, different from what Master taught us at initiation. After watching Initiation Requires Master Power, I knew this is the situation that Master spoke about, and this person is fake.
Without the Master's permission, you should not give initiation. At the time of initiation, we have told them to give it to themselves only, yeah?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. But if you somehow just don't listen to that and went out of your way because of your ego, because of your low level, and give initiation to other people, then you harm both yourself and the initiated, because your level is too low.
Yes.
Right.
You claim yourself to be a master and you're not.
Right.
It happened, it happened in my lifetime also, that somebody thinks that just recite the instruction
Yes.
and walking up and down like the master does, touching people's heads, and that is about it. There's a vast treasure behind it he did not learn.
Yes.
But mostly it's the Maya who tricks them.
Ah.
Because whoever does this, whoever goes now and gives initiation without master's permission and proclaims that he himself is the master and doesn't know anything, just copies the master's teaching, copies the master's speech, copies the master's outside actions, copies the master's lecture, and proclaims it is his, then this means this person has a super ego. And this kind of ego will attract Maya.
Yes.
It's a kind of a leaking point so that the Maya can connect or can enter your domain.
Yes.
Yes.
Then you have no protection.
Oh.
And God even cut off from the master. Because your ego builds the wall around you.
Right.
Also, it's not honesty.
Yes.
You claim that you are master, but you're not. You don't have any power. So his own karma falls back on him. And he also takes on other people karma by initiation, that all of them go to hell.
Oh.
There's no help.
Yes.
It's disconnected.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Just like electricity plugged out.
My grandfather passed away 5 years ago. Recently, I had an experience that showed me what happened to him. During meditation, I was led to a door and told to ask for a certain demon. I knocked on the door, asked for the demon, and saw an image of a creature with horns. When the image faded, a person appeared whose aura was dark and depressive. He asked me what I wanted, and I said I was sent here by Supreme Master Qinghai, my master. I was asked to fill out a form, and then soon came out of the meditation. Afterwards, I thought this person resembled my grandfather and remembered Master explained that some initiates go to hell to rescue loved ones. I felt this was what happened. So just like our Master explained, those who are initiated by a false master do not go to heaven, because only an enlightened master has the power recognized by heaven. Also, regarding the type of people who would steal Master's disciples and mislead truth seekers, I think the person who was giving fake initiation instructions is possessed by a demon, or is a demon, which is why I saw that image. I think that would confirm what Master had also explained when reading the Surangama Sutra.
At that time, because he's so greedily and desirously wanting these spiritual powers of all sorts. So at that time, a demon from the heavens, sees the opportunity it has been waiting for. Its spirit possesses another person and uses him as a mouthpiece to expound the sutras and teachings. This person truly unaware that he is possessed by a demon. So he claimed that he has reached unsurpassed nirvana, meaning he's a Buddha already. The demon make you think like that, using demon's power.
So like Master taught us, it is very important to only follow the direct teachings of Master and no one else. Thank you, Master, for always guiding us and reminding us to practice diligently and not to go astray. Thank you for being the forever radiant sun for my soul. I love you, Master. With love and gratitude, Nevaeh from California, USA.
Vegan. Fight against the negative force.
Each of Master's disciples has similar, different, or more inner spiritual experiences and or outer world blessings. These are just some samples. Usually we keep them to ourselves, as per Master's advice.
For more testimonies free for download, please visit suprememastertv.com/2-heaven.